Hey guys, it's Nancy and I'm in my closet. We're just about to run out the door to go to a church dinner, and I wanted to take just a minute to show you guys my outfit for the day, first of all. If you can see, I'm sorry. I know this isn't as good as when I have it on the tripod, but this is my moto jacket, my pink moto jacket, and this adorable top I got from my last daily look unboxing, the pretty little necklace my daughters got me for Christmas, the Morganite. These are the high-rise Jade jeans from my first Trunk Club unboxing. I'm wearing them all I can because I don't think they're going to stay in style forever, and I really like them. And then on my feet, can we see? Oh, there we go. I've got the little black, they're actually studded booties from, I think it was my third Stitch Fix unboxing, possibly. Anyway, you can go back and check those, but I wanted to cover a couple of things. First of all, we're at 470 subscribers at my last check. So that when we reach 500, I can make a community post and I'm going to be giving away that $50 gift card. So yay, I think we might get there, in the next week or two, maybe. I'm really excited about that. And then I can cover little things like this in community posts instead of making videos. Also, I wanted to tell you what I kept from my last Fashom unboxing, because I didn't do a what I kept video, but a lot of people were wondering. I don't have the blazer with me, but I did keep the blazer, and I will try and remember to link that video down below. It was a great box, but I limited it down to 3 things, and I got 15% off, which I'm so excited that Fashom lets you get a discount for keeping, a little bit fewer pieces. It's just a great service. And then I also kept the 2 items that were in the outfit with it. This Les Amis long sleeve top. I love this with those ruched sleeves at the top, and you're not going to be able to tell. And they're on a hanger. Come on, pants, with another pair of pants. But these are the D jeans, and they were in that outfit too. So those are the 3 pieces that I kept for anyone who might have been wondering. Early tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. a video should be going up, both me and another YouTuber. We're doing a collab on a Stitch Fix unboxing, so that one's going to be kind of fun, I think. So be sure and check that out. Just wanted to jump in, say hi real quick, and I think also in this upcoming week, between tomorrow and the next unboxing, the Thursday after that, I'm going to have a bonus Transcend unboxing. Alrighty, that's it. We got to scoot, but I just wanted to touch base with everybody, let you know all that. And I guess I will talk at everybody later. Bye-bye and be blessed.